So, Tails and Luigi, what do you guys want to do today? I don't know, Jaden. Yeah, I don't know either. There's something, we gotta do something. Yeah, but I gotta go with VR Toy Freddy, help fixing the robot. I'm gonna order myself a pizza. Okay, you guys can do that. Hey, Jaden? Yes, Chuck? Have you seen Weber around here? I couldn't find him. No, I didn't see him. Oh, he gotta be around here somewhere. Don't worry, Chuck, you will find him. I'm gonna get myself something to drink in my kitchen. Okay, let me see what's the house in the fridge. Get myself something to drink. There's nothing there. Huh? What the? Is that what, bud? Why he's doing the bowl? Let me get around. Oh, that's weird. I don't know why Weber's in the fridge. Huh? Did he just got frozen? Oh no. He must be in there for so long. Don't worry, Weber. I'm gonna find a way to get you unfrozen. But I gotta let some of my friends know about this. Let me bring you to my living room. Hey guys. Yes, Jaden? Yes, Jaden? Guys, look what happened to Wetbird. Mamma mia, why he's frozen? I don't know what happened to him. I was in my kitchen about to get myself something to drink, and suddenly I saw the bowl in the fridge, and it's Wetbird, but he's frozen. I don't know what happened. Man, that's messed up. Yeah, totally. But I gotta bring this to VR Toy Freddy and Tails. Maybe they can find a way to get Weber unfrozen. Tails and VR Toy Freddy? Is something wrong, Jaden? What happened? Look, Weber is frozen, and once he is inside the fridge, the bowl. I don't know why, what happened. Man, he is frozen. Don't worry, Jaden. Me and Tails gonna find a way to get him unfrozen. Yeah. Come on, VR Toy Freddy. Let's find a way to get him unfrozen. Okay. Okay, you guys can do that. Just let me know you're done figuring out how to unfrozen Wetbird. Let me go back to my living room. Okay, I just have to wait if they let me know if they done unfrozen Wetbird. Jaden? Yes? Frostbear? I'm here to tell the truth. What do you mean, tell the truth? Well, Weber did accidentally trip right inside the fridge in the bowl for himself. I did. What? What are you talking about? Let me tell you what happened. After Weber was about to give himself something to eat, and he opened the fridge, he's about to look for something where he's gonna eat, and I just accidentally sneezed Weber where he got frozen. Achoo! Then he can't move. And I got so shocked and I accidentally frozen Webbird. It was an accident. So I just out of your fridge and put Webbird inside the fridge because I just don't want you to find out because I don't want to get you mad. So, yeah, that's what happened. Wait, no wonder he got frozen inside the fridge. Yes. Come on, Frostbear, follow me. I gotta ask Toy Fuddy and Tails the truth of what you said and what happened to Webbird while he's frozen. Okay. Tails and Toy Fuddy? Yes, Jaden? What is it, Jaden? And also, we just unfroze Webbird. He could be waking up pretty soon. Okay, that's good, because Frostbear here to tell the truth. Yeah, it was me. I just accidentally sneezed on Webbird. I didn't know every time I sneeze it make everything frozen. That's why I just accidentally froze Webbird. Man, I feel bad for you. Yeah, same here. Wait, I think Webber's waking up. What happened? Huh? I'm not frozen anymore. I'm free! I'm free! Hey, Webbird. I just want to say I'm sorry for accidentally frozen you because I just accidentally sneezed. It's okay, Frostbear. I forgive you. And so, Webbird, want to get ice cream? Oh, hell yeah. Come on. Wow. He finally got unfrozen. Thank you, Tails and Toy Fuddy. No problem, Jaden. Come on, Toy Fuddy. Let's go have lunch. Okay, you guys can do that.